The confidence part is very difficult to build without competence. And we kind of talked about that during the one podcast. It's like the two do go hand in hand. And I think when you are talking about confidence and competence, they can benefit each other, but they can also be very toxic for one another. Because if you have a lot of confidence and you start to do things wrong, or you start to perform low and you start to have questionable competency, it's going to really start to screw up your confidence. And it's the other way too, is that the more times you do things well, you're going to be able to take low confidence and make it high confidence. So it is that access is probably one of the most difficult things on our star chart to really overcome, especially when a big part of this is having a head game or being a head game. And that's where I usually I just lead in with high confidence, knowing that even if I fail, it will not affect my confidence. It will give me the opportunity to improve my competence. So we have to be in an environment where we can learn. We have to be in an environment where there's people who are giving the knowledge out of their pockets as quickly as possible, as much as possible.